Welcome to the Kit Stop for Schools introduction to our 6 starter pack Bonanza. This is an introduction showing the 6 kits and a short overview of why we've chosen them for this starter pack. The kits are intended to take students from a first practice at soldering through to some kits which can be used as educational amusements and then on to even more sophisticated systems applications. Please see the links below this video for more information on each individual kit. The individual videos contain a lot more details and application demonstrations. The first kit to show you is our Soldering Trainer. This is intended as a low-cost practice kit. It doesn't matter much if some parts are damaged a little in the practice session, but the kit does require acceptable soldering skills to complete. We have a separate video and printed notes for teachers which provide more details on good soldering practice and techniques. The second kit which we recommend for students is the 2 LED flasher. This is our part number FK109. This introduces a few new electronic components, but it is usually very reliably completed by careful students. Our teacher resource also includes some suggestions for extension activities, such as using the flashing LEDs in other projects. The next kit which we suggest to be introduced is our soil moisture indicator. This is our part number FK908. This kit lends itself to a host of cross-curriculum activities which include biological sciences, agriculture, horticulture, control systems, studies in water management and many more. Our suggested fourth kit is the wailing Fire Siren. Although simple to build, it introduces and demonstrates the effects of capacitors and resistors in a most entertaining manner. As you can hear, the longer the button is held on, the higher the siren goes and the longer it takes to decay down again. The fifth kit that we recommend is the audio amplifier. This is a 2-watt single channel amplifier. This includes a volume control potentiometer. It is ideal for experiments with sound, wave theory and systems design for speaker housing. The final kit in this starter pack is the light sensing switch. This is our part number FK401. This kit is adjustable for different levels of ambient light to trigger the output switch. This is often used as a dawn detector, an open door alarm and so on, and it often is part of a more sophisticated system. The kit includes an onboard relay which can switch much higher loads. This kit has found its way into hundreds of different systems designs and projects which turn on water pumps, open gates, sound sirens and alarms and so on. In fact, anywhere where someone wants to know when light has been detected. For more information on any of these kits or the 6 starter pack, please visit our website. The links are all listed below this video. We offer detailed support materials for each kit for teachers, parents and students. The student construction guides include step-by-step photos, such as handy tips and techniques, as well as common problems and how to avoid or fix them. Thanks for watching this, and please feel free to visit our website or drop us an email.